In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to copy a shareable link to a Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the share button up at the top right, select the copy link button at the bottom, and then it's been copied to your clipboard. You can email it to yourself or to somebody else, and you're pretty much good to go. Please note that if they don't have permission to access your presentation, they won't be able to do much with that link. So just keep that in mind, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.